In this video, I will try to explain how to create a table on Excel. I already have data like this. We will block this data in a way. Press the left mouse, hold, and then drag like this. This is blocking the first way. There is a second way. Just put it in cell B3. Click once here. Then press Shift, hold, and then click on the cell. The last cell E13 is clicked. Press Shift, click. Like this, then right-click. Then select Format Cells. Next select Border, then select Outline. Then select Inside. Then OK. It's like this, yeah? If you want to remove it, this table, blocked like this, then right-click. Select Format Cells, then select None. Then click OK. Then the table will disappear, like this. Let's make the table again. Block, right-click. Select Format Cells, then select Outline, then select Inside. Click OK. I hope this tutorial is useful.